In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen recorder Loom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record your screen, capture great audio and video, and share your recording in just a few clicks. First, head to Loom and log in. If you haven't already, install either the desktop app or the Chrome extension. The desktop app is great for full system recording, while the Chrome extension is the fastest way to get started right from your browser. Choose the option that fits your workflow, sign in, and you're ready to go. Next, start a new recording. Click New Video and choose how you want to record, screen only, camera only, or screen and camera together. For tutorials and walkthroughs, screen plus camera is often best. It lets viewers follow your screen while also seeing your face for added clarity and connection. Before you begin, set up your audio and camera. Select the microphone you want to use and check that the input levels look healthy. Turn your camera on or off depending on your needs, and if it's on, position the webcam bubble where it won't cover important content. A quick tip: close any notifications or sensitive windows before recording to keep your screen clean and privacy friendly. Now choose what to capture. You can record your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Pick the option that matches your demo, then click Share to confirm. Entire screen is the most flexible, but a specific window or tab keeps distractions out of view. When everything looks good, click Start Recording. Walk through your demo or tutorial at a steady pace. Loom includes helpful tools like mouse click highlights and simple drawing or annotation features to direct attention. Consider pausing briefly between sections. Those natural breaks make trimming easier later. When you're finished, click Stop or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Your video will automatically upload to Loom, so you don't have to worry about saving files manually. As soon as it processes, Loom creates a shareable link. Copy it and send it to anyone who needs it: clients, team members, or students. It's fast, simple, and works across devices. If you want to refine the recording, use Loom's built-in editor. Trim the start and end, cut out mistakes, add a clear title and description, and enable captions for accessibility and easier viewing. Finally, choose how to deliver it. Sharing via link is recommended for speed and convenience, but you can also download the video file if you need to store it locally or upload it elsewhere. That's it. Your Loom recording is ready to share.